What's up, art fans? My name's Jesse and I'm an artist out of Phoenix, Arizona, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to paint an electrical box. So let's go. Alright, so this box is in pretty good condition and all it really needs is a bath to get started. This requires a gallon of warm water and a small cap of hand soap. And now it's time to get everything taped off, especially any identifying stickers or information that the city uses. Okay, so we've got all 3 layers down, we've got a nice smooth surface to work with, and now it's time to put our sketch down. Now that we're done painting, it's time to apply our sealant. And for that, I'm using Mural from World's Best Graffiti. And for an extra layer of protection, I'm going to apply 2 coats of World's Best Graffiti coating, just in case anybody decides they want to add to my artwork. Alright, you guys, that's the video. If you made it to the end, then you too can paint an electrical box. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I had a blast getting to put this piece together. It is big, bright, bold, beautiful, everything I wanted it to be. The community absolutely embraced it, and the city loves it as well. So.